VECKTA requires a year's worth of hourly load data, and the Data tab is where you'll upload that load profile. You can upload either a CSV or Excel file in either single column or double column format. If uploading a double column format, we assume the first column is the timestamp. In either case, we require that the load data start at midnight on January 1st of the year specified. When you upload your data, VECKTA automatically calculates your peak demand and total annual energy usage. Alternatively, you can request that VECKTA create a synthetic load profile for you. Just enter a few pieces of information, click this button, and a VECKTA team member will reach out to help create a load profile that works for your site.